Today, we are going to a very special town, the oldest town in Denmark. Nestled in the heart of Jutland, Ribe is a town where time slows down. Here, history isn't locked away in museums. It lives in the streets, the walls, and the very air you breathe. No visit to Ribe is complete without a climb to the top of its most iconic landmark, the majestic Dome of Ribe. High above Ribe, the view is a quiet masterpiece where history and horizon meet beneath the open Danish sky. Wandering the streets of old Ribe feels like stepping into a living storybook, where every corner holds a piece of Denmark's past. Visit the Viking Museum in Ribe and step into the world of Denmark's first settlers, with fascinating exhibits and stories from over 1,000 years ago. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.